First, after opening the package, check whether the accessories are complete. Make sure to punch the holes according to the markings on the punch drawing. According to the opening direction of the door, adjust the direction of the latch, and check whether the expansion and contraction is normal. Install the lock body and tighten the screws. According to the opening direction of the door, adjust the direction of the rear panel handle, and install the reversing screw. Check whether it works properly. Do the same for the front panel. Install 2 connecting screws at the top and bottom of the front panel. Align the clutch arrow to the side with the connecting cable. Insert the square bar and stick the front panel tightly. Open the rear panel cover from the open logo. Put in the pressure spring with the small side facing out. Connect the power cable, align the pressure spring with the square bar, and press the panel firmly. Adjust the panel position, tighten the screws, and check if it works properly. Install the battery according to the positive and negative poles. Fasten the cover. The installation is completed.